Getting paid in crypto? It's becoming more common, especially in Web3 jobs. But how is crypto salary taxed in India? Let's break it down. Crypto salary means you're receiving part or all of your compensation in cryptocurrencies instead of traditional fiat like Indian rupees. Even if it's paid in USDT or BTC, the taxman still sees it as income. At the time you receive your crypto salary, the fair market value in Indian rupees on that day is considered as income from salary and taxed based on your applicable slab rate, just like any regular salary. For example, if you're paid 1 ETH as salary worth 2 lakh rupees that day when you received it, your income is considered 2 lakh rupees and taxed according to your slab. If you later sell the received crypto for a higher price, the profit will be taxed as capital gains. For example, let's say you sell that 1 ETH after 3 months at 2,50,000 rupees per ETH. Since you initially received it at 2 lakh rupees, your capital gain is 50,000 rupees, which is taxed at a flat 30%. Since tax treatments can vary depending on how the salary is structured and reported, always consult a tax expert for personalized guidance. Don't get lost in the crypto maze. Use KoinX to simplify your tax journey and stay compliant with ease. Track, calculate, file. Visit KoinX.com today.